Good morning and welcome to another Project Bimmer video, my 1995 BMW E36 318. What do you want? What are you doing? What does it look like? I'm making a Project Bimmer video. In that case, I've got something for you. Alright, just stick it up wheelie bin. Alright, you can go now. Alright, I'm going. Right, where were I? Before me rudely interrupted me. Oh yeah. So in this video, I'm going to be working on the back end damage. So as you can see, we've got some damage to this corner, the bodywork and the rear light unit. But I did have a look around before I shot this video, just had a quick look. There's this dent here, I should be able to push that out there. And get to here as well, get to damage. That might be a bit awkward, and obviously this light unit will have to come out. So I did order a replacement light unit. So we'll offer that up and see if it works. So this is the replacement light unit I ordered on eBay. I had to turn it around because my address were facing up. So we'll start doing a bit of the old unboxing. So this replacement light unit cost me about £20 on eBay delivered. So the best way. Everybody likes a good unboxing. I've got a receipt. Yeah, I'm not going to reveal my address. It even comes in the own box. There you go. E36 saloon, real light unit. I would say that looks about right. Got a bit of that's come off. That'll be fine once it's fitted to the car. But yeah, that looks right. Doesn't come with lamps, but I knew that when I ordered it, and all the bulbs are still intact of the old light unit, so that's going to be absolutely fine. So I think first thing we need to do is take that broken light unit off and offer this up. So I'm going to replace this light unit. I think it's about 4 10mm nuts. No, they're not 10mm. They're 8mm. I'll be back with an 8mm. Back with an 8mm. I had to switch it to 1/4 inch. So get these out, offer up the new light unit, and then see where we are. Might have to do a bit of a straightening out of the bodywork, so let's get these off. I've got my magnetic pickup tool just in case. So drop fixes previously on other cars. The magnetic pickup tool's got me out of trouble quite a few times. So let's get these 8mm nuts off. And the replacement light unit don't come with any nuts, so you've got to use these. So with any luck, they should come out without too much trouble. Pull this boot trim off. to make things a bit easier. coming out without a fight. I'm not too worried about damaging this, so there we go. So I'll just quickly swap over these bulbs. And you've got 5 altogether. Brake light, tail light, indicator light, reverse light and fog light. Okay, let's set that up and see. We've got we seem to have a bit of damage already. Let's just push this in. But no, that's not going to fit correctly. And a bit of damage up here, and let's push all this in. So I might need to pull this out, but it's fine for the most part. Yep, it lines up at here, but it's here where it doesn't line up. So I need to find a way of pulling that all straight. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of body work. I might have to take the other side off just for a comparison and see where we are. But it's handy little guide. But it seems everything to here is fine. And below here. So I'm just going to have to pull that out. It looks like it's just pushed in there, so I think a bit of persuasion with the hammer and a block of wood should straighten that out. So I need to pull this side of the panel out. I've got a slide hammer here, hoping this works. I think it's working. Persuade in the right direction. Try that for size. Well, we're definitely in the right direction. The other problem is this, it's a bit just sway this up a bit. Remember, I'm no bodywork expert. I just try to fix things best way I can. right direction. Persuading all this in about. It's starting to go in, so I'll just keep on doing that, just try to persuade it all back into the correct place. So I've got it all buttoned up. It's fitting quite well. It's not perfect, but I don't know what I'm going to do about this. I might have to take it to a body shop or something. Anyway, at least the cars are safe to use. There's no jagged edges, so it's not dangerous and it's roadworthy. So that's it for this particular video. I'm going to end it here. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, select all, and you get one of my videos when it comes out. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.